All right, today we got our new griddle pan. If you guys can see it, look at the bottom of it. It's mostly stainless steel on the bottom, so it's easier to wash, and it's non-stick. It looks like it's actually granite, but I think it's just the coating itself, but non-stick. It comes with it. They give you the whole accessory kit. They give you the actual wooden paddle. The handle, if you guys can see, it's made of wood, real soft, and it has a handle to actually hang them in there. And they also give you the Phillips. This is a plus because normally when you buy some of this, you put it together, but today they give you the Phillips. You're halfway there, and you don't need anything else. So let's go ahead and put it together, and you got to remove the screw. The screw's already in there. It's not packed in a bag or anything. So look for it. It's attached to it. All right. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it works. All right, let me show you guys the how non-stick. See the water? I'm cleaning it up, but look at the water doesn't stick to it. All right, it actually floats out. So oils and other preservatives or anything that you're cooking or meat, look at this. It doesn't even stick to the pan. And if I go left to right, it all goes with it. So this is a non-stick pan, and you can tell with it. And we're just doing the water effects right now. All right, so let's go ahead and put it together. All right, we're gonna do a grilled cheese with it. So right now I like to do butter all around it. Make sure the butter doesn't stick. And the handle, it's for it doesn't get hot. You don't get burned because it's made of wood. Compared to the other one, this is our old one. This is made of actual plastic. It's all dated already. If you guys can see, it's a little faded. So we gotta get a replacement. And so right now we're gonna do that. We're going to go ahead and do that. And let's go ahead. These are not regular breads. If you guys can see, these are actually larger. I'm going to see how much we can fit on one side. And look at that. We can almost fit them both. Well, actually, we can. You guys can see that. Make sure that the butter goes all around it. I like to, when I'm making a grilled cheese, I like to make sure that everything is buttered. So I'm going to spin it around, get all the butter. Next, I like to make sure I move all the butter out of the way. Everything's out. Like if nothing happening here, squish the bread. I like to squish it, make sure the cheese is in there. If you guys see the cheese a little melting in there already. Just looking at that, flip it over. Cheese does not melt on the actual griddle. The handle's still cold, so you're always gonna get that. Get the heat transfer into it. So far, so good. I like how it works. Easy to set up, easy to install because it comes with the tools, everything you need. I'm very pleased with it, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video.